Okay, section 11.3. First, we have to talk about the annual percentage rate, which APR, you may have heard those letters used before. It can also be called the annual percentage yield, or APY. But if you listen to commercials, things like that, you'll often hear the APR is, and that's what they're talking about, annual percentage rate. This is the true annual interest rate, okay? So the formula for a simple interest rate loan for the annual percentage rate, again, abbreviated APR, you take 2 times the number of payments times the simple interest rate, again, as a decimal, divided by the number of payments plus 1, okay? And if you're going to do this all on your calculator, you're going to need to make sure that you put parentheses around that n plus 1. So, example 2 on page 650. You purchase a refrigerator for $675. You pay 20% down and agree to pay the balance in 12 equal monthly payments. The finance charge on the balance is 9% simple interest. Okay? So, interest equals principal times rate times time. All right? So, the principal is not $675. You paid 20% down, which means that you have to pay 80% of $675 for that loan. So you could do this all at once, or you can plug it in the calculator and do it one part at a time. I'm going to do it all at once. I'm going to take 80% of $675. That's what my principal is. That's what I'm taking the loan out for. Okay. And then my simple interest is 9%, so 0.09. And then my time is 12 months, but this is my simple interest, so then I have to have this in years. Okay. So my interest is going to be $48.60. So there is my finance charge, $48.60. Okay. Estimate the annual percentage rate. So, annual percentage rate, I take 2 times the number of payments, which it said I'm going to make 12 monthly payments, times my simple interest rate of 9%, and that's going to be divided by 12 plus 1. I'm going to plug that all in my calculator at once, so I'm going to do 2 times 12 times 0.09 divided by 12 plus 1 is 13. And so my annual percentage rate is 16.6, and does it say to the nearest tenth of a percent? So 16.6. This is 0.166, which is 16.6%. Okay, so simple interest, and this is your annual percentage rate. And let's take a look at check your progress 2. This is on page 651. You purchase a washing machine and a dryer for $750. You pay 20% down and agree to repay the balance in 12 equal monthly payments. The finance charge on the balance is 8% simple interest. Find the finance charge. So again, interest equals principal times rate times time. My loan is for the $750 minus my 20% down payment. So I am taking 80% of $750 out as my loan. My rate is 8%. And my time is 12 months or 1 year. And because this is simple interest, this has to be in years. Okay? So exactly $48. And then it says, estimate the annual percentage rate. So I take 2 times the number of payments, which is 12, times the simple interest rate, which is 0.08, divided by 12 plus 1. So 2 times 12 times 0.08 divided by 13. So 0.148 or 14.8%. And again, they said to round to the nearest tenth of a percent, so that means I have to do 3 decimal places in order to get it to be nearest tenth of a percent.